Using my calendula so I can make calendula oil. So I'm using sunflower and then my calendula. So you're going to take all the stems off and just, I just found one that I forgot. So these are the ones that I took out, and then we're going to put it in a bottle. So we are pretty much done. I'm just shoving it down with the straw, and this is my calendula, sunflower infused with calendula. This is actually going to take a while to infuse, so I'll leave it for as long as I can. The most I could leave it for is probably 6 months, but this won't be ready in a while. Yeah, that's my calendula. So I'm just gonna leave this in a dark, cool area for about 4 to 6 months. So this will be ready for my summer collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.